Today we're going to take a look at how to take an online quiz, test, or survey for your Duke Tip online course. Each instructor uses these assessments differently, and some may not use them at all. I have already logged into Sakai at sakai.duke.edu using my registered email address, and I am in my course site. Let's find a test, quiz, or survey for us to take today. My next step is to go to the current week within the syllabus. So I'll click on the syllabus tool in my navigation menu and locate this week. I'm in orientation, so I'll look there. I can see that my instructor has given me information and directions about a quiz. I also see the due date. I'm ready to begin my quiz now, so I'll go ahead and click on that link. You'll follow the same steps for a test, survey, or other assessment in your online course. When I click on this link, a new window appears. Here, I can see several pieces of important information about this quiz. I can see the name of my course, the name of my instructor, the name of the assessment, in this case, How Well Do You Know Duke Tip, the time limit on this assessment if it applies. In this case, and in many cases, there will not be a time limit. I can also see the number of submissions allowed. This means that you may be able to go back and resubmit this test. Your instructor may also allow you to save your progress and come back later to complete your assessment. Then I see the button to begin my assessment. Only click this button when you're ready to begin working on your assessment. I'll go ahead and click it now. This sample quiz only has 3 questions, so we'll take it now. Question 1. How many students have participated with Duke Tip since its inception? I know the answer is 2 million, so I'm going to select that answer. Question 2. What is the Duke University mascot? Let's say the badger, but I bet you know it's different. Question 3. When was Duke Tip founded? I know that Duke Tip was founded in 1980. There are different types of tests or quizzes and different types of questions. You may see a variety of types of questions based on the courses you take or the type of assessment that your instructor has created. For instance, you may see short answer sections, true-false questions, or in this case, multiple choice. You may also see that you have the option to save along the way as you work. You can click Save if you'd like to save your work and then return to it later to complete your test, quiz, or survey. Again, this option is up to your instructor, so be careful to read your instructions and review your specific assessment to see if you are able to save your work for later. Once you've completed your assessment, you will see a button that says Submit for Grading. Click that button when you are finished and ready to share your completed assessment with your instructor. When I click this button, I see a screen that reminds me that I am submitting my assessment for grading. If you only have one submission allowed for an assessment, this will be the final submission step. If you change your mind and would like to go back and change your answers, you can click Previous. I'm going to continue with my submission. At this point, you'll see a confirmation screen. This screen lets me know that I have completed this assessment. I can see the date and time it was submitted on this screen. I can click Continue to return to the Assessment Tool homepage and see this test underneath the Submitted Assessment category. If your assessment is a type that can be graded immediately, you will then see your results. We can see here that I have received 20 out of 30 points for my quiz, How Well Do You Know Duke Tip? When you're finished reviewing your test, quiz, or survey, and you'd like to move to other areas of your course, you can click on those items in the navigation menu. And that's all you need to know to take a test, quiz, or survey for your Duke Tip online course.